everyone, Nancy with Ash's Treasure. Here at lunchtime at our house today, we are going to have pizza. And here's my pizza. It's got chicken, mushrooms, peppers, onions, all the stuff I like. And the little one over there has a pepperoni and cheese pizza. And what I did with mine first, I cooked my chicken, my peppers, and my onions all together with some garlic and pepper and some salt. Then I put it on my pizza. So I have a pizza and I have this left over. So if later on we can have a chicken wrap and a budget friendly, just like Renee says, that little village homestead, and something good to eat at lunchtime. And the pizza dough recipe is the one I used from Little Village Homestead, and it works out great. So, and then we have my other pizza recipe that we have up on our page, our channel, that makes a thicker crust. So thank you for stopping by and having lunch with us today. And you can hear a little one in the background. You want to say hi to everybody?
Hello. I'm intending to be a wolf. A wolf.
All right. And thank you for stopping by. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and ring the bell for notifications. And we'll see you next time on Ash's Treasure. Have a good day.